Welcome to our guide on designing a fully furnished and decorated enclosed front porch. In this video, we'll explore how to create a comfortable, stylish, and functional space that can be enjoyed year-round. Comfort is paramount when choosing furniture for an enclosed porch. Opt for plush seating, soft cushions, and durable materials that can withstand changing temperatures and humidity. Natural light is one of the best features of an enclosed porch. Large windows or glass walls can flood the space with sunlight, making it feel bright and welcoming. Textiles like rugs, throw blankets, and cushions add warmth and comfort to your enclosed porch. Choose materials that are soft yet durable, in colors and patterns that complement your overall design. Versatility is key in an enclosed porch. Look for furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as a coffee table with storage, a daybed that doubles as a sofa, or a set of nesting tables. Keep your enclosed porch looking fresh by updating the decor with the seasons. Switch out pillows, add seasonal plants, or introduce new colors to reflect the changing weather. To ensure your enclosed porch is comfortable in all seasons, consider adding climate control options like ceiling fans, portable heaters, or even a small fireplace. Make your enclosed porch uniquely yours by adding personal touches like artwork, family photos, or a collection of your favorite books and decorative items. Plants are a great way to bring the outdoors into your enclosed porch. Choose low-maintenance indoor plants that thrive in the light conditions of your space. Lighting is key to creating a cozy atmosphere on your enclosed porch. Consider a mix of overhead lighting, floor lamps, and decorative string lights for a warm, inviting glow. The right flooring can make a big difference in the comfort and durability of your enclosed porch. Consider options like hardwood, tile, or weather-resistant carpet for a stylish and practical foundation. Your enclosed porch can serve multiple purposes, from a quiet reading nook to an entertaining space. Design the room with flexibility in mind, so it can adapt to your needs. Create a seamless transition between your enclosed porch and the outdoors by incorporating natural elements like wood, stone, and plants. This will help the space feel connected to nature, even when enclosed. Thank you for exploring enclosed porch design ideas with us. We hope you're inspired to create a cozy, stylish, and functional space that you can enjoy year-round. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas.